All right, I'm going to show you how to do a tile gauge method of cutting in a piece of LVP. You put it in here like this, next to where it's going to go. Make sure it's flush with the piece it's sitting on top of. Take another piece that is a whole piece, put it in here. If the sheetrock or whatever you're cutting to is all the way to the floor and it's getting some sort of trim, butt it up to it and then back it off a 16th or an 8th so it's easy to put in. Once you have it where you want it, kneel on it so they don't move, score it down the entire length. Careful not to run wild and scratch the floor. Break the little piece off that you cut or where you scored it. Finish it off. You put it in, match the corner, make sure it's tight against your existing layout. Rub it down. Rubbing it down pushes it into the glue, and you should also feel if you have a rock or some sort of debris or something underneath there, you'll feel the lump, and that'll let you know to peel it out, remove the contaminant or debris or whatever it is, and then reinstall. This is in a pressure-sensitive adhesive, so pushing it down is good, but once I'm done with the whole room, I'm going to roll the whole thing with the 100-pound roller. Hope that helps. Thanks.